There are some days when we are lazy for cooking and we need to have something delicious to eat. For such days, our today's recipe is egg Malai Curry, and the ingredients for which are: heat oil, add 1 cup of onion and green chili paste. We are going to roast our onion paste till the color is slightly changed. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin seed powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Our spices are roasted nicely. Now add 1 cup of boiled milk. Mix it nicely and bring it to a boil. Add the boiled eggs. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Oil is separated. Now we are going to add handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, 4 teaspoons of fresh cream, mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our egg malai curry is ready. If you find the recipe easy, then please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.